ready.
Right, yo, listen. This is what we need to do. Somebody needs to look, somebody needs to be here. In basketball. On this head glitch, yeah? Somebody needs a head glitch behind the basketball there, yeah? Somebody needs to be kitchen and somebody needs to
Shoot her down.
Just chatting shit and you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but
Concussion out!
I
say they'll laugh, but I know what you're doing.
He's out.
You know what? It's just like the people.
Shoot her down.
Yeah, just keep pushing up, well,
Yeah?
like,
Friendly UAV inbound.
pushing up on.
UAV awaiting orders.
Yo, Martin the Blank, whatever your name is. No, it's not.
Mercado Blank, can you read, bro?
No, I'm dyslexic. He's right there, who is that? You fucking dickhead, that shit.
I think
Friendly UAV inbound.
Who push it? Open your eyes then. But when you see him then, oh my god.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
It's gonna happen again, innit? We have a sick man then.
UAV inbound.
Got a kill.
I've got my beat on already, wow.
New man. Sniper, we're down!
What are you going now?
How do you go in?
Oh my god, I have
Dropped
hard
it.
on you.
Yeah, that doesn't take fucking 4,000 points.
Do you want me to put it up now then, Mr. Master?
Yeah, but why are you running all the support anyway? You're not even running any support.
Because I'm a legend.
Friendly
I have
UAV
good
inbound.
Yeah, but what's the point of running stealth stuff around these
I don't
support
have
anyone
anything
else?
I would have. I could have got all the Kamita and the MP, but no, I don't have it.
Just get it. There's nobody else.
Expired.
Got a kill.
No, it's a big class. What you saying?
See, like right now, we need a UAV and nobody has one.
I've got UAV, but it's 16 seconds.
Just UAV, you know?
Exactly. It's fucking still out.
Sniper, get down!
Good job. Get ready for the next
Right,
round.
wait, I wish there's like a thing where you cannot leave a game, like it's impossible to leave a game. Like, is that Minecraft? Is that Minecraft? I'm gonna use the veto now because actually not now. There's two people on the other team, or one
Demolition.
people, one guy.
One people. That makes sense.
Clear the objectives.
Yeah, I know, I made a mistake, sorry, boss.
That's good, 2A, 2-9, 2B.
Concussion out!
I'm joining people. No, you better not get the game with us, I've got my veto.
Call it in there.
Friendly lightning strike
No,
inbound.
There's no fucking wrong.
there's only 3 people on the net, You know what? I'm a legend, so I have to do it.
Veto warship inbound.
Why? You can't let you fucking shoot up.
Third down.
Get that kill, no! I can't kill it, I can't kill it.
Basketball and fucking hit
That lag is real.
Target.
They're gonna pull basketball and jump. That's all you need to watch.
No, I don't think so. Why you like so?
Unless we click. Obviously they don't want to click on it.
Alright, now I can't kill no one. That's great.
That's another kill.
Wow,
Shut up.
that's a waste of people there.
They're shit, yeah, and they're all running the MP grenade. And fucking running smoke as well, like.
Yo, these guys are tryhards, man. They're trying to go.
Shoot her down.
Yeah, they just throw double EMP at you and shit.
Friendly
Yeah, I've got
UAV
you.
inbound.
I've got you.
Yo, listen, look, now I can tell you. So you start looking, wait, you're like, oh, come back. You see it, yeah? And then just keep popping up and down like that. Because they'll spawn behind, if you get right in the right spot, yeah, they'll spawn right behind the tree.
Oh, right, thanks, Jordan.
He's doing it now, I'm doing it. Oh, who is that, dude?
He's out.
Fucking French cunt, like a shit.
That's kind of
French cunt, my fucking dude! You're shit! You're kicking my
Don't
shit.
fuck.
Fucking hell. Fucking
Concussion
bastard,
out.
dude. Shut up, fucking nine. When you can't even fucking get killed.
Friendly lightning
What
strike.
is that?
Concussion out.
You have all
Stitched him up.
that's when you fucking in.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
You take
Kill
yourself
confirmed.
to the beat. She's fucking one.
Out.
I don't have any fucking mix on. I told you. It's millions
Yeah, exactly. Just use fucking, what's it called? Use a
You've
load
got,
of
count on.
That's a kill.
UAV, man, Nico.
Because, like, that's usually it. We're all running support and you're running VTOL and shit.
Yeah, but what do you want me to do? You want me to
calling,
back and
we're
bring him back
calling in
up
our
to
VSAT,
55? I
yeah,
can't do that.
just for you to get your feet.
I can't do that. What do you want me to do? I have no score. Do not get that in your head.
You got
Never
UAV
doubt, good
counter
job.
UAV, you got guys.